Yo, Wagwan man, you're tuning to Click React, and today we're gonna be looking at some fails of the week, wipeouts on land. The last one I did it was like winter and stuff like that, but this one is on land, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know which one of these moments was your favorite, or has anything like this ever happened to you? That's a better question, and I'll see you guys later, man. Peace. Oh shit! All right, that definitely didn't happen to me before. Oh, timber. Oh, fuck. How the hell did that happen? We already see that her knees are weak. And she put her in a chokehold. A rear naked choke. And the Christmas tree is gone. That's crazy. Ow. Ow! Jesus Christ, bro. No, I don't want to laugh. That's mean. Yo, what the fuck? This does not look safe.
Oh!
You get what you give. I'm gonna roll back on him. Get it. Oh, shit. Yeah. Yo, honestly, being a mailman is so, like, anxiety. It's an anxiety filled job now because you know everything is being recorded. So if you do some stupid shit, somebody has you on camera. I don't think that was a smart idea. I don't think that was a smart idea. You want to turn off the water before. That's not where it's coming from. Oh shit. Yo, ice is so dangerous, man. Man said he needs to use that shit right now. I'm dead. That kid is funny. Ow.
Babe, that gonna look like it hurts so bad.
Nope. I knew it. Bro, I don't know why people are scared of like geese and ducks and shit. If that shit tried to do that to me, I would slap it. One backhand.
No, you gotta shoot on her face.
What? What is this man doing? Is he falling? Or just being dumb? Oh shit. That sucks. Oh, that's not bad. What is that? Is it just ice? Oh, you're falling through. Stupido. Ew. No, no, no. A poor kid. Uh-huh. That's what I call the smart ones. Oh, bro, the ice ones are just... And especially, what's worse if you try to stop it? Is that necessary? We're cruising in USA. Ow. Yeah, I heard that. That sucks. Oh, it's a BM. Yo, man said that's BMW, dog.
Oh no.
Oh, fuck.
And another one. One more time. Rest. Uh-oh, stop.
Yeah, this is why when it snows, I don't play with the hills.
Watch out.
3, 2, 1.
Somebody forgot to put the lights up. I'm dead. Is that it fully? Oh, sandboarding. This is kind of cool. Never mind. She's too strong, she said. That's support there. That's support. Oh, this horse is not having it. Get off. What the fuck? Hey, why is this person screaming though? That horse is not gonna hurt himself. Oh, that shit about to fly up. Hey, take it up. Yep, take it up.
Why does it come from the bottom?
Faulty maybe. Oh, Yeah, I don't fuck with these things, brother. We out here grinding rails. These slip and slides, man, they're so dangerous. Like every time I see it, I feel it.
The lions are gonna
Is she? No, there's no way she's really sleeping. Still sleeping. You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. This don't look like it's smooth. Okay. Yep. Introduce yourself to the tree. Ow. Bro, do you not know how to jump? The nigga jumped in place. Oh, yep. Dropping. Ow, bro. These are so dangerous, bro. These can leave you with like lifelong injuries. Yeah, what the hook? That is what an ice storm looks like.
Trim up a little bit.
This is your sign to get in the gym, my boy. I thought he could do cat things at that weight. Oh shit, that would have been cool. I don't know how he was gonna get. Oh no.
That's how we start the day. I hope the camera caught that. Are you okay? No.
I mean, you walk away. What the fuck is going on here? This poor cat, bro. Just minding its business.
And we're gonna go. Well, she cut it too short, and now I look stupid. And I'm going to a wedding this week, and
Extensions.
I look so stupid. And this is the last time I ever get my hair cut by anyone other than my mom. Oh my god, I look so stupid.
So, what you got there?
I had the crock pot too high.
Okay.
How long do I keep it like this for? It's like 15, 20 minutes. But you know what, man? Your mama had to be smoking more than just cigarettes when she had your ass.
Facts.
I swear, man. Mama told me, she told me.
ولا بس الحقنا ما جرسنا.
I don't know what I'll do if I see my kid doing that.
خليت البسوا اللي ما بيسوا يضحكوا علينا. صور رنوس بتغنشل
Oh, that shit burnt black, baby. She did not spray that pen.